Hey guys, this week's video is about this purple and gold DIY decorative tray that I recently did. So if you'd like to see how I got it all together, then make sure you stay tuned. Alrighty, so here we are with this unfinished wood tray that I purchased in a set from Amazon. So what I will do is make sure that I leave the information about the materials used for this project below, and where available I will also link to the items in case you'd like to recreate this in your own image with colors of your choosing. So for me, this project was a little time consuming, and most of the reason for that was because of the painting process itself. The first reason is because this gold paint that you see on the screen right now is a tempera, and when I painted the tray it was a little sheer, so I had to do multiple layers and I had to wait for the layers to dry before it reached the opacity that I wanted. The other reason for the painting process taking so long was because I wasn't really sure what I wanted the design to look like. So the only thing I really had in my head at the time were the colors itself. So I knew I wanted purple and I knew I wanted gold, but I had no idea how I wanted it all to come together. But in the end, I was able to make something work, and I really enjoyed it, how it turned out anyway. And I hope that you guys also like it as well. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, then please do not hesitate to put it below and I'll make sure to respond. And if you also feel so inclined to do so, please don't forget to subscribe. And for everyone that is also already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope everyone enjoys. You guys have a great day.